If you start an online side hustle, never quit your 9 to 5 job before you make more money with your side hustle than your job. What's up guys, it's Anri Davids here, and in this video you will get a deeper understanding on how to start your side hustle even if you have a 9 to 5 job. So you will finally start to create something on the side and become fully dependent on yourself and quit your job later. Everyone dreams about creating something they love to do and make more money with that than their job, so they can quit their job, finally focus on their side hustle. It's even better if it's online, so they can travel all around the world, they can do whatever they want and actually make money with the things they love to do without having a boss annoying them, have to wake up 9 o'clock or 7 o'clock and have to leave 5 o'clock p.m. And you can actually decide how your life looks like. Start to surround yourself with the people you want. Start to do the things you love to do. Start to self-development and actually realize that we have so much power, that we are capable of so many things as humans. Anyway, if you're new in this channel, please like this video, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and comment which side hustle seems the best for you right now. So I see a lot of people saving up money, then quitting the job straight up because they found out, oh, I have something else I want to do. I want to create a side hustle. They quit their job and then they focus on their side hustle, put all their savings in there, with later understanding that they made a mistake because they didn't make money with the side hustle, and now they have to go back to the 9 to 5 job, and now it even feels worse, right? Because you tasted how it feels to be free, to focus on things you love to do, but now you have to actually go back to your boss, and this really sucks. In this video, you will get a deeper understanding of how to start, the first step of how to start a side hustle when you have a 9 to 5 job, and actually when to quit your job. A side hustle can be everything, right? You can come from your job, from your 9 to 5 job home, and then make money selling cookies, selling phones, repairing phones, whatever it is, right? Side hustle can be everything. But how does it sound to you if you actually can create a side hustle which is online? So you start to build something online which will make you free, which will make you location independent. So when you start to make money with this, you can be everywhere. I'm gonna tell you straight the first step you need to take if you want to create a side hustle right now and you have a 9 to 5 job and you really want to start to create money with something else because you hate what you're doing right now, you hate your job, you hate your colleagues, you don't like the situation you're in, you don't want to wake up 7 o'clock every morning, you actually want to wake up whenever you want, you actually want to help people with the things you love to do, selling your expertise or the service for high-ticket prices, for example. And this is the best side hustle you can have, but it's not for everyone. The best first step to do when you want to create a side hustle online is to focus on a personal brand. And I made a whole video about the best ways to monetize a personal brand. I will put that video link somewhere here. So check that video out first, so you're gonna understand how to monetize a personal brand. But what is a personal brand, right? A personal brand, everyone has it. Everyone has a personal brand. Everyone takes pictures of themselves. Everyone shares some kind of knowledge. Everyone shares their life. And people follow you. Maybe they like it, maybe they don't like it. Probably like it, otherwise they don't follow you, right? So everyone has a personal brand, right? But now it's time to start to monetize it. And you can monetize it in different ways. I made a whole video what I told you about the ways how to monetize it. But in this video, I want to go to the first step, because before you're going to start a personal brand, you actually need to find out what is the thing you want to start a personal brand around. So maybe you have some expertise in some kind of field. Maybe you love something really much. Maybe you work right now as an accountant, but you always had a passion for nutrition. So maybe you can start your personal brand in nutrition, but you don't want to be just a nutritionist. You need to have a unique selling point. You need to understand what is it exactly I help people with and what kind of people I help. So first of all, you need to really think, okay, what is it? What are my strengths? What are my passions? And what is my passion which is the most monetizable? And when you find this, it's also really good to find out if people already make money in this niche. So the first thing I want you to do is think about, okay, where do I want to help people with? With what? What's my expertise? And what do I love to do? It's really important, of course. Then I want you to go to the 2 Comma Club member site. The 2 Comma Club member site, there are like hundreds of people who made over 7 figures with one funnel in one specific niche. So if you go there and you check out all the people and you check out their niches, and you see that your niche is there as well, you know, okay, you got something right, because people spend money in this niche. It's a big problem people have. People are willing to spend money in this niche. Never reinvent the wheel. Never think for yourself. Never think, okay, dang, I'm so genius that I'm gonna make my own niche and I'm gonna work so long on it that I really have this expertise, I really help people with this shit, but later you realize that nobody's gonna buy from you because nobody has the buying power to buy products in this niche, or nobody wants to solve their problem or it's not a big problem. You really need to find out what's my niche, who are the people I want to help. You need to find out if this niche is monetizable. So you go to Comma Club member site, you're gonna get some inspiration, you're gonna check out, okay, those people are making money with this niche over 7 figures with just one funnel. So you know, okay, dang, this is something I can make money with. Then it's time to start to make content actually, right? So you're really gonna focus on who are the people I want to help, and you need to write out your avatar list, exactly all the problems, all the things they love to do, all the things they hate, the problems they're having, what are they thinking about? If they're laying down in their bed, staring at the ceiling, what are they thinking about? What do they want the most? And every piece of content you make speaks exactly to this person. If you have a social media page, which you have right now, and you just make pictures for your friends, it's a great idea to start a new social media page exactly in this niche. So all the content you're gonna put out there is just talking exactly to this person you're willing to help, you're wanting to help, who has the buying power, who wants to have his problem solved, and you're the one who can solve his problem. They come to your social media page and they think, okay, this person can actually help me. So they're gonna chat with you, you can chat with them, you can get on the call and close them. We're not gonna go deeper than that. First of all, you need to really understand, okay, what is the person I want to help with, who I want to help, how do I want to help them, and is this niche profitable? Are people spending money in this niche? Then you need to start to make content. And the awesome thing is, right now you have a 9-to-5 job. You come home, what are you doing? Maybe you watch Netflix, maybe you do some other stupid things, maybe you drink some whiskeys or whatever it is. But this time you can actually start spending time on doing this, start making content, like you really need to check out my other videos because I'm going to go deeper into the step-by-step things you have to do. But I just want you to start thinking, and I want you to have the seed planted in your mind that, hey, I can actually start making money with something else than my regular job right now. And when you start to make more money with your side hustle than your regular job, it's time to quit your regular job and focus more on the side hustle. But think about all the free time you have, the weekends, the time after work. You have so much time to spend on working on the side hustle. You have no idea. It's like 20, 30, 40 hours even a week you can spend time on this. And my math equation of life is C plus B times E times T is D. C is your current situation, T is time, B is beliefs, A is action, and D is your desired outcome, your desired results. What this means is with the right beliefs. So the first step you have to understand is you have to start to crush your limiting beliefs. You have to upgrade your mind like you upgrade your iPhone. So you have to do whatever it takes, learn from the best people to start crushing your limiting beliefs, to start creating new beliefs, which will help you to take the right actions. And when you have the right beliefs and you have the right actions and you put time into that, there's no other way than succeeding. So this video is not like a crazy step-by-step system plan on how to start today and how to start your side hustle, but this video is mainly about planting the seed so you start thinking. Now the plant the seed in, and now you start thinking about all the time you are at work, like dang, I can actually start making money with the things I love to do online, where I'm location independent, where I can spend time with people I love to spend time with, where I can travel around the world, when I can do the things I love to do. I am super reliant on myself. I don't need anyone else anymore to say what I have to do. I decide my life. I have my own life in my hands, and I can do whatever. How epic does it feel? How epic is this? And I tell you as well, like, not everyone is right for creating a personal brand. Not everyone wants to be in the picture, like great in the picture, and not everyone has the knowledge and the right beliefs yet. But I don't say that you need to start your own side hustle. You can also focus on some high income skills. So when you're working on 9-to-5 job, you can start working on high income skills which will bring value to other people, other companies. For example, video editing, for example, sales, for example, communication, systems, SEO, site building. There are a lot of high income skills, and if you start focusing on those things, you become really valuable. And also, when you are really good and expert level on all those skills, you will never need to worry about finding a new job, because everyone needs this, and this is really high paying. And even if the economy sucks, there are still people who need this expertise. So you build actually a solid foundation right now, you become valuable to the world. And then if you don't want to start your personal brand and you're reached some kind of expertise level in one of those high income skills, you can start approaching other people, you can start approaching other companies with the values you believe in, with the things you love actually what they're doing, so you would like to help them, you like to make more impact, so you can start giving them free value. And then when you do this with the right people, you probably get screwed over a couple times, but when you keep doing this, you'll find the right person who will take care of you, which will take really good care of you, and you still have your side hustle. You can still make money, and then when you make more money, you can quit your job and fully focus on this. And then when you see what's going behind the screens, right? Because right now you just see me talking. You have no idea what I'm doing with my team. You have no idea how my day looks like. But if you start to work for this person, if you start to work for this company, you know exactly behind the scenes what's going on. You'll learn a lot. You learn a lot of skills to start your own online business later. So it's a great tip to do this. If you don't want to start a personal brand straight away, you can focus on high income skills, and then you can help other people with this. And you become way more valuable. And also, when you start your personal brand or start an online business, all those skills will be very good to have if you start your online business. So the first thing what I told you, right? And I went a little bit deeper in this, but not really deep. And I told about picking a niche and choosing a niche is the most important first step to build an online business. So if you do this right, you build your online business with the right foundation. Do this wrong, and you will definitely fail miserably. You will 100% fail miserably. So I made a whole video explaining about the first step, really deep, like step by step, really an ultimate step-by-step guide on how to start your online business, where you focus on the things that you love to do, sell your expertise or service for high ticket prices. And the first step is understanding your niche and understanding what niches are profitable, and some other extra things. Like, it goes really deep, and I made a whole video about that. So I want you to check it out here. So click this video here, and I will see you there. Peace out.